All right, you see this picture behind me? This is what we need to get next to. We need to get at least get used to. It's the cloudy conditions that we're seeing as we're heading into the afternoon. 82 degrees now. We are expecting a high right at about 84. Winds out of the southeast at 13 miles an hour. And you can see the barometer there, 29 and 94 of an inch. The dew point also coming in 67 degrees. Already 85 in Denora, 79 though in Butler, Katanning at 80 degrees. Beaver Falls 81 degrees, Washington coming in at 80 degrees, and we're expecting that high not too far off of where we are, about 84 degrees or so. Winds will be out of the southeast, 5 to 15 miles an hour for the afternoon. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some wind gusts topping 20 miles an hour. Let's talk about your rain. Yeah, it's starting to arrive. We'll show you radar coming up in just a bit. Rain chance now all the way through Saturday morning. But the good news is a very busy weekend, both Saturday and Sunday with concerts. Most of that should be dry. Large hail, gusty winds will be possible mainly on Thursday. Localized flooding will due to downpours. We'll be there. We'll watch closely for that. Here's a couple of isolated showers at this point. Nothing too heavy. This is just some light sprinkles to some light rain that continues to move in from the south. But as Alberto, still a tropical depression with winds sustained at 30 miles an hour now, continues to move to the north. It will drag, and you can see it right there. It's just kind of right in that area where we're seeing a lot of moisture coming in from the Gulf. So we'll have a lot of moisture to work with, a lot of heat that will add to our instability, and that will also bring us that chance for some storms, especially when we start to see some of the rain bands from Alberto coming our way. So tropical depression, Alberto, you can see it right there. Maximum sustained winds at 30 miles an hour at this point. Check out the latest when it comes to model data. This is estimated rain all the way through Saturday morning, basically the entire event that we're looking at. Some pockets now around 1 inch in Louisville, Nashville area, but they've already seen upwards of 3 to 4 inches. That's on top of that. Here in the Pittsburgh area, haven't seen anything yet, but we are looking at 1 to 2, possibly up to 3 inches of rain. In fact, we'll kind of zoom in and you can see. Now, one of the things that model data always does, and this is going to be something we'll watch closely for, is right before the event, you'll start to see some big totals coming in for something like this. And that's what we're seeing in Waynesburg and the Washington area. I don't think you're going to see 1 to 2 inches of rain today. You could see half an inch, maybe up to 3/4 of an inch. As we're heading into really all of Thursday, some storms will be possible, and that's when we could be looking at 1 to 2 on average across the area. And then another chance for some rain all day long on Friday, wrapping up on Saturday. Generally 1 to 2 is what we're looking at. I think once again, this is probably overdone. You can probably take about an inch or so off of all of those totals, and that's where I think we'll get. Still concerning, seeing that we are still just shy of 7 inches ahead of schedule when it comes to rainfall this year. That means, and you can see it right there, that means that flooding, also any landslides could still potentially be possible. There's a look at your forecast. You can see the best chances for rain actually Thursday and on Friday. Both of those days we could see upwards of half an inch to a full inch of rain, depending on where you are. Today we're looking at probably 1/4 of an inch to about half an inch of rain for the rest of the day. There's your 7-day outlook, including temperatures cooler as we're heading into the weekend. Mid-80s all the way through Friday, right at 80 degrees, just shy of that, both Saturday and Sunday.
Well, I just planted over the Memorial Day weekend. Okay. I know a lot of people do. So that's good for the flowers and the vegetables.
If they need the water, they're going to get plenty of it.
All right. Thanks, Ron.
All right.